continue the slides now. So next we are going to construct the angle of 75 degree. So for this, first we need to draw 60 degree angle. So here for this we need 60 degree angle. Okay, so 60 degree angle. Then after that 120 degree angle. So then only we'll get 90 degree angle. Okay, so this is 90 degree. So 75 is nothing but between 60 and 95. Sorry, 60 and 90. So between 60 and 90, 30 degree angle is there, right? If you bisect this 30 degree into two equal halves, so this half is nothing but 15 degree. Okay, and this half equal to 15 degree. Okay, we need 75 degree only. So up to here 60 and then up to here 75 degree. So this angle is nothing but 75 degree. So that is the construction. Okay, so let us see the solution here now.
Right, now I'm going to draw 75 degree angle. Okay, construct 75 degree angle. So how can we construct 75 degree? Right, so as usual first is 60 degree. Okay, then after which one we have to draw? So 75 is nothing but, so first we have to draw 60 degree angle. Then suppose if you draw 90 degree angle means, so the gap, the distance between 90 and 60 is nothing but 30 degree, right? Again, if you bisect this 30 degree means, so this side 15 degree and this side 15 degree will come. So now 60 plus 15 is nothing but 75 degree. That's it. That is the procedure. So first we are going to draw 90 degree, and then we are going to draw 60 degree and 90 degree, and we are going to bisect 60 and 90. That's it. Okay, that is the procedure now. Right? So draw now first is 60 degree. So let us take this as A, B. Okay, and for 60 degree you can draw an arc here as usual. Right, then after that with the same measurement make this as a center, draw one more arc. So this is nothing but 60 degree. So this is 60 degree, and next thing we need to draw or construct 90 degree. So how can we construct 90 degree? By drawing 120 degree. Okay, for 120 degree, again make this as a center, the same measurement, draw one arc. So this is nothing but 120 degree, right? So this is 120 degree. This is also dotted line. And next thing I'm going to bisect these two. Then that's all. Then only we will get 90 degree here. Okay. So bisect these two. So that take more than half of this arc, and then draw one arc here, and then the same measurement without change anything. Make this as a center. Draw one more arc here. So draw one more arc. Okay. So now draw a line through this one. So this is nothing but 90 degree exactly. Okay, now so this one 60 degree, this one 90 degree, this one 90 degree means from here to here 30 degree is there, right? But we need 75 degree, right? Suppose if you bisect this 30 degree into 15 means 75 will come. So now I am going to bisect this 30 degree only. So how can you bisect? The same procedure. Okay, take more than half of this arc. So draw one arc here, and the same measurement without changing anything. Keep your compass here and then draw one more arc. Right? So that's it. And then draw a line through the intersection point from A. Right? So now this angle is nothing but 15 degree. So this one 60 degree and this one 15 degree. So totally, so this one is 75 degree. Right? So that is the procedure to draw 75 degree angle.
Look at the next example. Construct the angle of 105 degree. So here 105 degree, so how can we construct here? Okay, so whatever it is, first is 60 degree angle. Okay, this is 60 degree, and next one 120 degree. So this one 120 degree, and then after that we have to construct 90 degree, 90, and the 105 is nothing but above 90 and below 120. So the 105 lies between 90 and 120. So the angle between 90 and 120 is nothing but 30 degree. So if you bisect this 30 degree like this means, if you bisect the 30 degree like this means, so we'll get here 15 degree and here 15 degree. Okay, so here up to here 90 degree from bottom line, and again one more 15 degree here is nothing but 105 degree, right? So that is the procedure to drawing or constructing 105 degree. Okay, let us see the solution video now.
Next I go to draw or construct 105 degree angle. So 105 degree angle means how can we construct? So 105 means definitely first you have to draw 60 degree. Okay, so 60 degree. So 60 degree and 90 degree, and suppose here 120 is there. So the gap between these two is nothing but 30 degree, and if you bisect this 30 degree means here 15, so here 15. So 90 plus 15, 105. So that's all. So what we are going to construct now means for 105 degree construction, first draw 60 degree, then 120 degree, then 90 degree, and then bisect 120 and 90. That's it. Okay. So first draw 60 degree now. So how can we draw 60 degree? So as usual, so here this one, let us take this one A, this one B. Then for 60 degree, you can draw an arc from A. So this is the arc, and then without changing anything from here, draw one more arc. So this is 60 degree, and without changing anything in the measurement, keep this as a center again. One more arc. This is one more 60 degree. So that is this one 60 degree and this one for 120 degree. Okay. So draw the dotted line through these two angles. Next for through the 120 also. So through the 120. Then after that, now for 90 degree. For 90 degree, something that the bisection of these two only, right? So bisect 90 degree. So take more than half of the arc. So draw one arc here, and then with the same measurement, draw one more arc, right? So now, so here 90 degree. Actually here it comes approximately here. So it is 90 degree. Then after drawing this, so this gap is nothing but 30 degree, and this gap also 30 degree here. Okay. Suppose if you bisect here means you get 15, but we need 105, right? 105 is nothing but more than 90. So this one 90 degree and this one 120 degree. So the gap between this is 30 degree. So if you bisect this 30 degree means we get 15 degree here. Okay, so 90 plus 15, 105, right? So now I'm going to bisect this angle between 90 and 120. So take more than half of this arc and draw one arc here, and similarly from this end point draw one more arc. So draw a line here through this. So this 30 degree now divided into 15, 15. So 90 plus 15, 105. So this angle is nothing but 105 degree. So that is the procedure to draw 105 degree.
Right, next one, construct the angle of 22.5 degree. Okay, so how can we construct this angle? So 22.5 is nothing but it is the form of mixed fraction. Okay, so first you have to convert this into improper fraction. How can you convert it? So multiply these two and add this one. Okay, so 22 into 2, 44. So 44 plus 1 divided by 2 equal to 45 by 2. So equal to 45 by 2, that is half of 45, right? So we need, for that we need 90 degree angle. Okay, because 45 is nothing but half of 90, and then we have to bisect 45 also. Okay, so first we have to draw 60 degree and then 120 degree and then 90 degree. So this one 60, this one 120 and this one 90. Then after bisect 90. Okay, that is we have to bisect these 2 points. Okay, so like that. Okay, and if it is 45 degree, because half of 90 degree. Then again the half of 45 degree we need. So bisect again this angle. Okay, so this is nothing but half of 45 or 45 by 2 or 22 and a half. So let us see the solution video now.
Right, next I am going to draw the angle for 22 and a half degree. Okay, so it is a different one. So 22 and a half degree means, so it is a mixed fraction. Okay, so converted into improper. So when you make a cross multiplication, so 44. So 44 plus 1 divided by 2 equal to 45 by 2 degree. Okay, this means we are going to bisect 45 degree. That's it. That is nothing but half of 45 degree, right? How can we construct 45 degree first? First we are, that is 45 degree is nothing but half of 90 degree. So first we have to draw 90 degree, then after that bisect 90 degree into 45, again bisect 45 degree into two equal halves. That's it. That is the procedure. So for 90 degree angle, first we need to draw 60 degree first, right? So A, B, so for 60 degree, so draw an arc. So for 60 degree, and then without changing anything, make this as center. So this is 60 degree now, and for 90 degree we need 120, another one. So make this as center without change anything. Draw one more arc. So this one 60 degree. So this arc from A is nothing but 60 degree. 60 degree, and then this angle is 120 degree. So 120 degree. Okay, so this one 60 and this one fully 120. So 120. Now I'm going to construct 90 degree. Okay, so for 90 degree you can bisect these two only. Okay, so make this a center, take more than half of this arc. So draw an arc here, and then without change anything, keep here and draw one more arc. Right? So through intersection point, so draw the line. So this is 90 degree. Okay. Now next to 45 degree. Okay. So 45 degree is nothing but half of 90. So 90 angle is nothing but the corner points, these two only. So I am going to bisect these two corner points. So keep your compass here and take more half of this arc between these 2 points and draw one arc here, and with the same measurement make this as the center, draw one more arc. Okay, so this is 45 degree. So draw a dotted line, because we are going to construct 22 and a half only, right? That is half of 45 degree, so it is enough to draw with a dotted line. Now this is 45 degree now. Okay, so this angle 45 degree, right? But I need half of 45, so that we are going to bisect this angle only now, so that these two are the end points of 45 degree. So that keep your compass here, take more than half of this, and then draw one arc here, and with the same measurement keep your compass here, draw one more arc, and draw a line through this from A. So that's all. So this is nothing but 45 by 2, that is 22 and a half degree, right? That is the procedure.
Right. So next one, construct the angle of 37 and a half degree. So that is your practice question. Okay. So just practice that, just do it as a homework. Okay, along with your exercise problems, right? So I think everyone of you understood whatever we have seen in today's video. And if you will not understand, just go through the video once again. Still you will have any doubt, ask me, I will clear it out, right? So let us meet in the next session. Thank you.